Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Faraday Future stock surged 52.8% on Wednesday, and its trading volume also increased significantly. The stock price returned to the 5-day moving average again, which means that after the stock fell for 5 consecutive trading days, the long capital that had previously flowed into the market has started the short squeeze mode again. And this long capital came from the funds that flowed into the market on August 22nd and before. In any case, the stock currently seems to have strong support from long capital below $5, so the short squeeze may continue. Data shows that the daily short-selling ratio of the stock was 14% on August 30th, and the ratio dropped to 7.7% on September 3rd, and rose to 10.8% on September 4th. Reflecting that some capital withdrew from the market due to the surge in stock prices, but the bearish sentiment of the stock did not increase significantly. The stock generated some large trading volume at the $6.26 level on September 4th. Because there is too much trapped capital above this price, it is understandable that the stock price encountered great resistance at this level, but the closing price was only about 16% lower than this position. Compared with the stock price increase on that day, the retracement was not large this time because the bulls tried to maintain the stock price. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that after the stock opened on August 22nd, the market strongly pushed the stock price up and generated a large volume, proving that the previously accumulated bullish forces began to counterattack. The optimistic thing is that the stock price did not fall below the lowest price of the day on September 3rd, and the surge in the stock price the next day reflected that the long capital had started the short squeeze mode again. In addition, we also saw that the stock price fell back to the $4.60 level during the intraday trading on September 4th and began to rebound, proving that the bulls did not want the stock price to fall further. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the daily average capital flow data of the stock from August 27th to September 3rd has dropped a lot compared with the previous period, which is consistent with its trading volume performance. This reflects that although the stock price continues to fall, there is not much capital flowing out of the market, and most of the locked-in capital is still waiting for the stock price to rebound before selling. And the capital flow data of the stock on September 4th is a proof. The net capital inflow on that day was only $1.67 million, but the total transaction amount on that day was as high as $337 million, which reflects that the surge in stock prices on that day led to a large amount of locked-in capital selling, but this does not mean that the stock price will fall because a lot of capital has also flowed into the market. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We see that after the close of the stock on September 4th, the positions between $5.37 and $6.26 increased significantly. This is because there is support below this area and resistance above, so the stock price is forced to consolidate in this area. But I think the bulls may have digested these chips because the stock price retracement is not large, and the bulls are unlikely to lose control of the price within a trading day. But we also see that the position distribution above $6.26 is very large, so the room for the stock price to continue to rise is also limited. So I set a target price range of $6.26 to $8.33, but I think it is more likely to hit the middle price of $7.39 in this range and then fall back, because the position distribution below $5 is not large, so the stock price rebound height is limited. Okay, guys, this is my price prediction for Faraday Future Intelligent Electric stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.